How y'all doing? Welcome to summer camp. My name is Steve, but you could call me Steve. Nah. Wait, so what happens if we don't call you Steve? Hey, man, why you talking when I'm talking? Nah. Oh, my fault, bro. Alright, so before we get started today, I'm gonna have y'all run 15 laps around this field, alright? Nah, jit, tripping. Bro, why we gotta run 15 laps? It's like 100 degrees out. We gonna die out here. Look, man, when you run a summer camp, you can make the rules. Is your name Steve? Dog, nobody wants to be named Steve. Nah. Steve, it's really hot out here. Can I get some water? Yeah, girl, go ahead. Yeah, man, it's hot. I can get some water too? Nah, bro, we actually ran out. Bro, what you mean you ran out? You just let her get some. Look, man, you yell at me again, I'm gonna have to send you home. Nah, I don't wanna be here anyways. This man tripping. That's crazy.